On Thursday, 27th May 2021, members of the Khasi Jaintia Fresh Vegetable Suppliers Association had informed newspersons on the action taken by the Ribhoi District Administration on vehicles en route to Assam for the supply of vegetables. Speaking to a section of the media, the president of the association and also secretary of the FKJGP Central Body Agriculture Cell, Bristar Mautho, expressed his disappointment at the district administration of Ribhoi, who had stopped the passage of the fresh vegetable supply vehicles while transporting the agricultural items to Assam. Mautho urged upon the state government to call the association for talks to clarify and discuss on the issue that has hampered the efforts of local farmers of Meghalaya in selling their produce to other parts of the state and to the neighbouring state of Assam.
Ini nama ni letrai rengkat pesakar nak tak kecingnya jenurah penyiar baik penyiar nanti ke protokol ni labun ban perlong ban persiang khop ikit khar ban kit nasatai kamar kata langsung ilale kata bat tik patik ni ada le apa ki kudau hadu mistar ban jurep ki kudau daa kecingiro ikit khot ki jemi rei kene kecing siapat ya kali pakai ketak hadu kata kan mumit hadu daya mengai supplier jemi ong nanu nyelak bersih kene kamar dak gila kamar berem batin terkedau kene kecing ketak kali kecing bat kali pelong kecing ketak ke bakrau bat ni kentu serkar ba dai ban khot ban yakran ada usia mkhot ban yakran ngem nom tra ru ban capture ai ba serkar kan thap Indonesia ai ba DC ke Ribhoi kan thap Indonesia nak kalian tengi ngem tra su ban thap Indonesia jeng kinang kata hi kedai ka kubur ban ai ke basai kedar lagi ya ka serkar bat ya ke DC borohi bakan syai kene ka cingrai jeng ka ocean bat nak kalian jeng ka ocean kam khang hiru kinung rap ban option na kam khang hiru ya kinung rap kentrai lakcong kam ni le jeng kam ka ba kong santan nak kata hi basai kedar sya ka serkar minta kasih